Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where #ref appears and why. Use Ctrl+F to jump to each occurrence, then inspect the formula bar. You want to see which reference is broken. If a sheet name, row, or column was removed, that's the culprit. Once found, jot down the intended reference or original cell address so you can restore the correct link. Make sure to check named ranges and external workbook links before changing anything, because fixes depend on the original source. Now you repair the broken formulas directly. Click the cell, edit the formula, and replace #ref with the correct cell or named range. If a sheet name is missing, type it exactly. If deletion caused the issue, undo or restore the rows or columns, or recreate the range and update formulas. Once done, consider switching hard cell references to index/match or table-structured references so future deletions won't produce #ref errors as easily. Finish by verifying all fixes. Recalculate with F9 and scan the workbook for lingering #ref values. Use evaluate formula to step through any stubborn calculations. If you still see errors, check for protected sheets preventing edits or broken external links that need updating. As a final troubleshooting tip, restore a recent backup copy to compare original formulas if you can't reconstruct the reference. This often reveals the intended structure and lets you paste corrected formulas back in confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.